The Ritz Carlton Cancun. This luxury AAA 5-Diamond Award winner hotel features 2 outdoor swimming pools, a spa and a private beach. It has modern rooms equipped with an iPod docking station, CD player and cable TV. Downtown Cancun is 17.7 kilometers away. Cancun Spa and Salon offers a wide range of massage therapies, body treatments and facials. There is also a gym and tennis court. Cabanas are available on the hotel's private beach. The Ritz Carlton Cancun's elegant rooms feature a mini bar and work desk. All rooms have a balcony with ocean views. The private bathroom includes a bathrobe, slippers and hairdryer. Dining options range from traditional Asian specialties at the sushi bar to Mediterranean cuisine at Fantino. Indoor or outdoor dining is available and cocktails are served at the lobby lounge. Just 20 minutes from Cancun International Airport. The Ritz Carlton can arrange airport and area attraction transportation. Aqua World, offering boat trips, is just over 1 kilometer away. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.